long time I didn't cook, or you cannot see me on YouTube because I had very injury in my arm, just like this. I have a tennis arm and I can do nothing but moving on. Dus we're gonna go cook a Turkish dish consisting an eggplant. Turkish, the name is karni yarik, and we're gonna do that. And okay, what we're gonna do is today we're gonna make a Turkish dish consisting of eggplant. We have two eggplants here. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the head off just like this, and what you're gonna do is gonna a little bit make a pyjama of the eggplant. Just like this. We're gonna do the same with another one. Just like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them in two pieces. Just like this. Okay. Now we're gonna bake the eggplants in oil. I put them in my eggplants in the oil, and they're gonna bake it. It's almost 15 to 20 minutes. It's an electric oven, electric furniture, and it's standing now on 5. I want to bake it easy, not harsh, not too fast. And we're gonna wait it, and we're gonna turn it upside down and bake it. My eggplants one up to the oven, and you must control them when they are finished. This must be a little bit soft inside. Then it's ready. And we're going to turn it now also again upside down. Okay. We're gonna do the inside. We have mice meat. Make also the ingredients here. I had paprika, also tomatoes and fresh onions, and we have also mice meat. Regularly is for mice meat you can use any kind of meat, but mice meat is the regular. My eggplant is finished. You can see it's very soft now. Just I turn my out. We're gonna do the inside. We're gonna bake the mice meat brown, and we are gonna throw the ingredients here. What I made: tomatoes, paprika, and fresh onions. I have also salt here for inside. This is a teaspoon of salt. A little bit I like hot, just like a paper, hot paper inside, and a little bit brown pepper, all those black pepper, just the kind of name. We're gonna make them brown, gonna bake them. It's almost brown. And when it is ready, it's done. I put the ingredients inside my mice meat, and the salt and the pepper and the hot pepper also, and we're gonna brew it together. I have here a big plate. There's an oven plate. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put out my eggplants from the plate inside here very slowly, because it is very soft. Don't break it. Just like this. I'm gonna make some of boats. I'm going to fill the boats later. Okay, this is almost very soft. I'll take it. And the last one. Just like this. Okay. In Turkish they say these are the boats, and these are the passengers of the boats. We're gonna fill them inside here, the passengers in the boats. Okay, mice meat is getting browner and browner. A little bit more, and bake it. Okay, we're gonna put inside the green ingredients. We have here the eggplants with a little bit fork. You're gonna push them, make some boat. Just gonna push them a little bit softer inside. I'm gonna fill the passengers inside my boats, and here are the passengers. And we're gonna fill them up just like this. Okay, I fill my passengers inside my boats. And now we're gonna put them in the oven. Okay, we're gonna put them in the oven and we're gonna bake it about 20 minutes. Minute, I forgot my peppers upside my boats. They're life-saving guards. Dus we're gonna bake it about 20 minutes, and when it's finished, okay, I'll be back. I put out my oven. We're gonna look. Oh. Oh my God, they're great. Look at that. They're great. Oh, now you can eat. It's really hot. I know. It's now out of the oven. I say bon appetit. The dish now. It's really great. It is done. I used all my ingredients. I showed to you what I used. Thanks for watching. Subscribe downstairs. Thumbs up. I see you next time. Bye.